POS software. In this tutorial I will be explaining how you can sell with BIMS POS software. Maybe you are a cashier and you want to sell with BIMS POS software. So what you need to do is this cash in hand, that is how much do you have in your cash withdrawal, you put it here for the day when you are starting selling for the day. So maybe you have 5,000 left, you have 2,000 in the cash withdrawal, you put it here. Or if there is any, just put 0. Then click on open register for the day, for the sales of the day. So once you click opening register, now what you need to do, the first thing you have to do when a customer comes in, if you have the time, is to add your customer information. It's very, very important, because you can market to them later, you can sell to them later, anytime you can sell to them later, you can market to them later. So what you need to do is to add it. You have to come to this plus button at the top right corner, put it on individual. Once you put it on individuals, type the name Mr. Samuel. That's the name of the customer that is buying from us. Then put Mr. Samuel D. Then put the number, put any number you have, the name of the customer number, you can ask for it here. And once you put the number, just click on save. After doing that, you can see automatically the name of the customer is already showing here. The name of the customer is already showing here. After that, now we want to search for our product. Let's say the customer is buying Panadol Extra. Don't forget, this Panadol, in this example, we sell, there are some customers that buy Panadol Extra in pack, and there are some customers that buy Panadol Extra in sachet, that is pieces. Pieces is still the same thing as sachet, and sachet means single, one by one, only one. Pieces, one. And some comes and buy it in wholesale price, some comes and buy it in pack price. You have to know the kind of customer you are selling to. So if the customer comes in and want to buy Panadol Extra, only one sachet, so you just need to search for, the first thing you have to do, you have to click here. This default selling price at the top here is for pieces, like pieces prices, like sachet, only one, not pack, not bundle, not carton, not wholesales, not pack. Are you getting it? Only one, pieces. So just click this default selling price. Make sure you stick to this default selling price, because the particular customer is buying only one product. Now let's sell something like Aboniki Balm. Aboniki, since the person is buying Aboniki, only one pieces of Aboniki, so we click it. As you can see, it's down there. Only one is 400 naira. If the person is buying 2, you click 2, that is 800. You can see that automatically it's calculating it. If he's buying 3, put it here 3, that's he's buying 3 of Aboniki Balm. So that is that. But this another customer, this same customer wants to buy another thing apart from Aboniki, so he requested for Panadol Extra. Now this Panadol Extra now is not buying pieces, he wants to buy 2 packs of Panadol Extra. In this example, only one Panadol Extra is 3,000 naira, and we have 2 pieces of it inside this pack, inside the pack of Panadol Extra. We have 2 sachets, so which means you want to sell 2 pack. Now you have to switch, normally you have to switch this place, you have to switch it to pack price. We now search for Panadol Extra. Now once you search for Panadol Extra, as you can see, it automatically Panadol Extra is here. Now it's giving us pack price. This is the pack price. Only one pack price is 5,600. Since the person is buying pack, not a sachet, only one sachet will be 3,000. Normally 2 times 3,000, that should be 6,000 naira. But because the person is buying one pack, and we have 2 pieces inside that pack, we are selling it for him 5,600 naira, because he's buying pack, not pieces. If it is pieces, now let's try for pieces. If it is pieces, if we cancel this, we switch this one back to pieces. Don't forget, this default selling price is for pieces. Then we search for Panadol Extra again. You see that we are not going to have that same 5,500 that we have. We are not going to have 3,000. As you can see it, we have 3,000 naira. 3,000 naira. That is he's buying only one sachet. Are you getting it now? If he's buying 2 sachets and you don't want to sell it for him in pack price, you can see automatically we have 6,000 naira. He's buying 2 sachets, 3 sachets, 4 sachets, as you can see it. But if the person is buying 2 pack, let's close this. If the customer is buying 2 pack of Panadol Extra, you just need to click Panadol Extra. sorry, I supposed to switch it back to, let me switch it back to pack price. So Panadol Extra pack price of Panadol Extra. As you can see, pack price of Panadol Extra is 5,600. If the person is buying 2 pack, you can see it, we have 2 pack, 3 packs, 4 packs of Panadol Extra, and it's buying only 3 pieces of Aboniki. As you can see, so that's how you are going to sell. You can sell either in pack and wholesale. Here you can see we have dozen price. If the if you sell that particular product in dozen and in pieces, you select dozen, switch between dozen and pieces. If you sell that particular product in wholesale and in pieces, you can select wholesale price. If you've added it now, you're adding your stock, and you can select pieces price at the top and select wholesale price. That's how to switch. I believe you understand that. So watch this video very well so that you understand it. Once you've done that, what you need to do now is to, these are the 2 products the person is buying. He's buying 3 pieces of Aboniki and he's buying 4 packs of Panadol Extra. So we don't need to calculate anything. The software is already calculating it for us. So what we need to do now is to click on cash. You can see this cash button. So I click cash button, automatically to show my receipt here. Once it displays the receipt here, you just need to click on print button here, as you can see. So I'm not printing anyway, so if you want to print, you just click this print button here, print it, then it will print out. If you are using a thermal printer, it will be in a thermal printer format, but I'm using a normal printer, big printer, that's why it's showing like A4 size. So if you are using thermal printer, receipt printer for businesses, it will be showing your own in a format of receipt for businesses. So that is that. So I'll click cancel. Even if I click cancel, it's already added. I can decide to print receipt, or I may not decide to print it. So that is that. So that is how to sell with BIMS POS software. Now I want to explain other buttons that we have here. If you want to say, always use this cash. If a particular customer is buying and he said that he's not buying again, you can cancel it here. So this multiple pay, if he's buying like lengthy, you can use this multiple pay or cash, but I will rather advise you just be using cash instead of multiple pay to make it. So credit sales means if the person is buying on credit, let's say a particular the customer asks for Aboniki and we've added Aboniki and the person is not ready to pay, you want to buy it on credit, the person wants to buy it on credit, so you just need to click on credit sales. Actually, we have to add credit limit for this particular customer before the person will be able to buy in credit. So that's just literally how to do it. If you are selling a credit sales, then there will be a separate video for that. Then if you want to suspend the sale, maybe this customer is buying this in your front and it's not ready, you can just suspend the sales by clicking suspend sales. You can add short notes, then you click save. If you want to see, okay, it's coming, or let me just say he is coming back, he's not ready to buy, but he's coming back, just he's coming back. So just put it there, click on save. Now you click on here, you are going to see you are going to view your suspended sales. Can you see it now? Suspended sales, that is that customer that you are attending to that is not ready, maybe he has not paid and you want to attend to another customer, so you can see it. Let me go back so that I can see where I press this place here, view suspended sales. When it comes back and you want to buy now, you can now go to view suspended sales and click on edit sales. Once you click on edit sales, you can see that it's already on the screen now. It's already on the screen. As you can see, it's already on the screen. When it's on the screen now, you can now, if the person has come back to buy, he has paid you, you now click cash. Once you click cash, then you print your receipt. That's how to suspend the sales and later sell it later, in case you have a lot of customer in front of you. So that is that. This draft say maybe if there's just like jotting something down, maybe you want to, so it's not really, it's just like jotting something down, but but the most important one that you need here is this cash sales. So that is that. Here in the category, you can, if you are running a pharmacy and you are running supermarket at the same time, or you are here, you can switch here. You can, if you click drugs here under the category, it means all the product that will be showing here is only for pharmacy. So if you switch to only supermarkets here, all the product that will be showing here, it will be only for supermarkets. Are you getting it now? But if you put it on all categories, that is, we have all the products for both pharmacy and supermarket or any kind of store that you run, either electronic store or anything. So that is how to sell with BIMS POS software. Let me quickly explain this. This place you can add expenses. If you are a cashier and there is something done in your boss is not around and you want to add expenses, just click this add expenses button here. Then you can add expenses. So if you have the privilege to do that, it's like I don't have the privilege. If you have the privilege to do that, just add it. Then type your what type of expenses exactly do you add. Do maybe they repair something in the shop and you want to add it, put it there. Then another thing is that, okay, this one is full screen. Then this one is sell return. Then this one is this sell return is used for maybe a particular customer buys something and he comes back that he said that okay, he doesn't want it again. You can just look for that, search for that particular product, Aboniki. Once you search for it, we are using Aboniki as an example here, and you click sell return. You put the invoice number. Are you getting it now? Sorry, you just put the invoice number on that receipt. That's why receipt is very, very important. You collect the receipts that customer brought back, check, then you put the invoice number here, then you send it. It's as simple as that. It will show on the screen. Then you have your sell return back. Then another thing is calculator. We have calculator in case you want to use calculator. Another thing we have here is now another thing that is very, very important here is that make sure anytime you finish selling for the day, maybe you are closing for the day, make sure you click close register. Make sure you close your register, because that will make you to calculate how much you make for that day, the profit for the day. You'll be able to see everything right here. This is where you are going to see it, what you've sold for the day. This is where you are going to register this. Or you click back and you go and see it in reports. The boss will have access to that. You as a cashier might not have access to that. You might be restricted for that. So that is that. So that is about, make sure as a cashier, once you finish selling, click on this close register. As this, you are closing this register for the day, so that the calculation of today will not be mixed with the one for tomorrow. That is why it is very, very important. Do not forget, make sure you are closing your register, so that you'll be able to know what you've sold today, and differentiate to what you sold yesterday. That is why it's important. Once you click that close register, you can see close register button. Scroll down. Once you close, you can see everything that you sold today. This is it here. Everything I will sold today. These are the products. As you can see it, details of products sold. Aboniki, we've sold Aboniki today. We've sold Panadol Extra today. As you can see it. So that is that. Defaults. As you can see, these are the products we've sold that I showed just of recent now. These are the one. This is the total here. Everything as you sold, it will be showing here. So that is that. Total cash that I've made today. This is it. So it's as simple as that. That's how you know how much you've sold for the day, and the list of product that you sold for the day will be here. So once you've closed for the day, just close register. Once you close register, so that is that. You'll be able to know what you sold for the day, and that's how to sell with BIMS POS software. You can see it's showing me another open cash register. So always close your register, even if not closing for the day. If you finish selling as a cashier, in case another cashier wants to sell, close your own register. Then another cashier will come in to come out to start to log in and start his or her own sellings. It's as simple as that. So see you in the next video.